I brought them a Christmas cookie. That was my feeling toward them. You know, they were part of the family.
Every one of the girls and everybody jumped in and made me feel at home.
The staff is wonderful. The doctors are wonderful. I feel like I have a relationship.
My mom had been coming to Dr. Whitlow for at least 10 years, and she told me about Dr. Whitlow, so I started using him.
Hello, I'm Dr. Kurt Whitlow. Here at Whitlowdental, we are an institution that has been serving the Central Valley for 50 years now. My father before me, and my grandfather and my uncle were dentists as well. We treat you here like family, and we also have the education and the background to give the best quality dentistry and dental implant treatment. We have an in-house dental lab so that we have great quality control, and we can make sure we can provide you with a beautiful functional restoration. And so we can offer quality dental implant treatment from a single implant to full mouth reconstruction at an affordable rate.
You know, I saw Dr. Whitlow's signs for years here on Van Ness Street, and I work nearby, and I just have always been interested in seeing his office and seeing what kind of work he offers. I had a great consultation. I really did. When I came in, I immediately clicked with the staff, I clicked with the doctor. He was really straightforward with what I needed, and I felt like what he was telling me is really what I was needing.
I needed some implants done. I was at another dentist in Fresno, and he told me that there were a few guys that he would recommend. My teeth were not in good shape. I had several cracked teeth. I'm a guy who they say grinds my teeth, I guess, so I do some damage to them. I had a lot of cavities as I was growing older, and so little by little I've had broken teeth, and so I've probably had 7 implants here now.
Well, I'd gone through this problems before with the teeth, and there was a lot of pain involved, you know, and he assured me that they put you to sleep, and when you wake up, it's over with, and there wouldn't be any pain, minimal pain afterwards, and it was exactly what he said, and it was great. I was really pleased.
The beauty of dental implants, they will feel and function just like your own teeth. They preserve the bone where it is at the time the implant is placed. They're not subject to decay, and they're typically not subject to bone loss and periodontal disease like teeth can be.
I needed some implants. I had missing teeth due to bone loss, and they were mostly in the back of my mouth. So I didn't really think it was urgent, and I didn't really think it was necessary, but after talking to the dentist, I really felt that I needed it done.
My teeth were in pretty good condition, but I had the failed crown, so that needed to be replaced because I had a loose tooth. Dr. Whitlow explained my options to me. I think he said something about a partial or a bridge, and I didn't really want that because of my work. You know, I appear in court, and my smile and my mouth is a big part of my persona, and so he talked to me about an implant, and I agreed to go forward with the implant as opposed to a bridge or a partial.
And many of our patients mentioned that they feel like family coming here. We'll try to treat you just like we would a member of our own family.
There's not enough words. The staff is wonderful. The doctors are wonderful. I feel like I have a relationship. I don't feel like I'm just a patient coming in. I feel like when I come in, they know who I am, they know what my needs are. I feel more comfortable probably in this office than I do even in just my regular doctors that I see for my health. I'm most comfortable with the information I'm getting and the services I'm getting.
He's come out in some very difficult times for him where I was really kind of embarrassed to call him. And he said, oh, no problem, you know, whether it's Christmas Eve or New Year's Eve, which happened this year, or whether it's any kind of function that he's away with his family at Shaver Lake. I mean, he jumped in his car and he drove, what is that, an hour and a half to get here to take care of my issue.
The pain is real minimum and everything, and so I decided to go ahead and do it, and he did it, and he explained everything to me, and everything went exactly the way he told me. Everything came out right, perfect. Best thing I ever did.
I've gotten to know Dr. Whitlow, and you know, he always impresses me with his work that he does overseas with charities and doing dental work for people who ordinarily couldn't afford it.
It was awesome. I came in on my lunch hour for my posts. They work with my schedule, they work with my appointments if I can't make it in. It worked out better than I thought it would.
I have had problems throughout my life with my teeth, and I just feel like I'm in good hands, and if a problem does come up, that I can get it taken care of very quickly.
They treat you very well, and I'm a long-time client because of that.
Oh, I've recommended it. A good friend of mine that I worked with had his done here, account of me, and I think he brought his mother-in-law in. She had it done, and now I have another friend that's going to come in and do it.
Oh, I'm thrilled. I'm telling you, even just being in this chair, I feel like this is my chair.